Hey everybody, how's it going? I'm Steven with San Francisco Overland. We're out here with our Escapod Topo2 Voyager trailer. We're going to be demonstrating our FSR High Country V2 King tent. We're going to show you how to deploy it and then how to repackage it. For the sake of time, I've already gone around the sides of the tent and unbuckled all the Velcro straps. We'll show you how all that works when we go to package it all back up. First thing you're going to do is you're going to reach into the tongue storage box and grab your ladder out. If you'll notice on the ladder, all of the warning labels. Keep in mind that throughout the process, the warning labels are going to be facing me or they'll be facing up. Good thing to note for later so you don't rip a ladder off a tent. All of the metal boards, all of the metal placements on the sides and front of the trailer, you can stand on to walk around the trailer to do what you need to do. So don't hesitate to do any of that if you need to. Some people are tall enough where they don't have to. I wish I had their height. So you'll take the ladder and you'll bring it up to the top of the tent. These tabs have an angled side and a flat side. The flat side should always be against the tent when you're up on the top. So this is your ladder securement. You'll pull out these bolts, rotate 90 degrees, and notice how it holds the bolt out. Rotate 90, holds the bolt out on both sides. Grab your ladder, place inside each of the mounting brackets, release your bolts, and now you have a secure ladder properly attached to the tent. Undo the Velcro that's been securing the rungs of the ladder. I always push the ladder up. And then drop the ladder down to the other side of the tent. Just make sure you don't let it slam down. You don't want to break the ladder if you're trying to use the tent. Climb down off the trailer. Come around to the other side. Grab the foot of the ladder and you're going to start raising the tent very slowly. There's a lot of suction that builds up in these tents. So slow wins the race. Now if you'll notice, when we get to about here, the tent's only angled ever so slightly. So some people are strong enough to leverage that out. If you're not, just give it a quick little boost, get it up vertical, and then you drop the tent down. Again, you want to go slow. Slow wins the race. When you get your ladder into this position, obviously you're going to note that the tent is angled. That doesn't look right to anybody. So your ladder is your support for this portion of the tent. Start at the top and drop it down, rung by rung, so that you retain your support. Now see here, that doesn't really work out too well, right? You don't have any real support for the tent. So instead, pull your ladder out, let the rung lock, and then push it back in. Now you have support. So you might have to extend the ladder out a little bit or push it in a little bit, or you might want to grab a piece of wood or a rock or something like that and put it under each side of the ladder. Whatever it takes to make it work and make it stable and make it safe. Now keep in mind, once again, these warning labels and directions are facing out. They're facing me while I'm doing this. You want to remember that throughout this process. So once you get the tent to this position, go ahead and climb your ladder. You'll pull down the skirting or the cover. Flip down your boot bags or your tool bags. You'll grab the entryway, bring it up and over you. And then, within the rain fly, you'll reach up and you'll grab this pole. That pole is your tension pole. there's a lever system right here. You flip the lever to unlock the pole, push it up inside the tent, latch it up onto that further pole, pull this all the way out, put some tension on it, and then redo the latch on the pole. Now you have a deployed V2 King FSR tent. So now that we've gone through the process of how to open this bad boy, let's go through the process of how to close this bad boy. So essentially, it's going to be in the direct opposite approach. So you'll reach through the skylight cover from inside the tent to that, again, that extension rod or that extension pole that's up here. You'll flip the lever, releasing the pressure on the tension, pull it all the way back in, relatch it so that it's in its most compact position. Swing the rod back up on top so that it runs horizontal. It should be right in line with this. You'll close the tent back down, keeping all of that in mind. When you get to this point, flip the boot bags back up. Climb down. Again, warning labels, always facing you. Not that the ladder's moved. Extend the ladder out to its full extension. Push up and over. Again, slowly. Slow wins the race. Let the ladder catch the tent, and then slowly just start lowering the tent back down. You'll leave the ladder fully extended at this point, just like it is. You'll come back over here. Lucky enough, you get to climb all over our trailers. And then start pulling the cover skirting down while tucking in all of the loose fabric of the tent. I've done this a few times, so I've got my footing pretty secure on the side of the trailer. All I'm doing at this point is just pushing the fabric back in so that it doesn't get in the way of the skirting. Side, I've got my skirting down. So this is where I'm going to start collapsing the ladder. And again, I'm just going to start collapsing it at this point, while still just making sure that my cover is all pulled down and appropriate, and that the interior fabric isn't going to be hanging down below or getting in the way of me securing the tent. So now, all of the Velcro straps, you'll run it through the stainless hooks on the bottom, pull some tension on it, and you'll meet the top of the Velcro on the loop with the top of the Velcro on the tent. Follow each of the individual folds to refold and repackage up the tent. And again, you're just meeting the end of the Velcro with the end of the Velcro. boring part. On the back side of the tent, there's a break in the fabric. That break in the fabric has Velcro on both sides with an additional buckle. So here's the break in the fabric. This helps you fold the skirt down or up. Just gives a little bit of extra slack in the skirting. But when you close the tent back up, you're just going to want to make sure that, again, the end of the Velcro meets the end of the Velcro. Redo the buckle strap right there, and then keep moving forward with your Velcro securement straps. Now you have a fully secured FSR High Country V2 King. The last part of all of this is you'll climb back over here and we're back to the ladder. So it's easiest at this point if you just pick the ladder up and start going rung by rung to bring it down. Make sure you don't clamp down on your Velcro strap. Strap is free. Secure the Velcro. Again, pull the bolts out, turn them 90 degrees, releases the ladder. They're spring loaded. Suck them back in, grab your ladder, don't forget that part, that's important. And then you just climb down off the top of the trailer. And there you have it. So again, I'm Steven with San Francisco Overland. You've just watched our video on how to deploy and repackage an FSR High Country V2 King tent. Hopefully we're going to see you out in the wilderness. Hopefully we'll see you renting one of our trailers sometime soon. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. We'll include some links down there as well for the tent. And hopefully you have a great day. Take care.